Hi student, today we are taking the some parts of, or we can say that the components of networks, that is the devices which we are using for the networks. So there are total four devices we are using for the connection of network. To establish the network connection, we require the some devices. With the help of the devices, we can expand our network, or also we can provide the network connectivity. So expansion within a network called network connectivity. Then expansion of two or more networks are called as inter-network connectivity. And to expand a single network without breaking into new parts or connecting it, we required some standard connectivity devices such as hub, modem, repeaters, and routers. One by one, we will see. Before that, we have to open your textbook on page number 284. Okay, so now we are starting the hubs. So hub means what? It is the simplest connected device used to extend the network. It's a simple device which we are using. It's a central connection, we can say. If you consider the star topology, so all the devices are connected to central hub. We can also call the switch for that. So this hub means in network we are connecting all the computers to hub, and then hub will be transfer data to another one. So here we can see the simple diagram. It's a simple internet connected with hub. So hub is the structure with which cables can be connected without soldering wires. There are different types of connectors, and by using that connectors we can connect the LAN to the network through hub. So this hub is also categorized into three types, that is passive hub, active hub, and intelligent hub. So what is passive hub? So passive hub simplifies the combines the signal of networks lines. There is no amplification or boosting of signals. Means just we can use the signals through the network lines. There is no any another transactions are done, means amplification will be not done whatever. So data we have to transfer, that data, only data will be transferred from that. No any changes will be happen in that data, although the data is lost and anything. So next one is active hub. So since this device is not only interconnected but also amplify and clean up the signals, hence it is called as active hub. Means it is connecting, it is useful for connecting as well as it is used for the amplification. Means it's amplify the signals, it is broadcast the signals, and hence we are using active hub for that. So these hub contains electronic circuits. So active hub consists the electronic circuits, through that the amplification can be done. Then next hub is intelligent hub, which is better than active hub. These, in addition to signal amplification and regeneration, these types of hubs perform so intelligent work like network management, then intelligent path selection. So that such task is done by the intelligent hub. The word says that this intelligent hub means some directions of the data transmission can be done automatically by the intelligent hub. Now next device is modem. So if you are connecting our computer for internet or email communications, then we require the modem. So when we have to connect internet connections with the help of telephone line, then we can use the modem. So modem, what happen in modem? So when we are connecting our telephone line to mobile, there may be the problems are occurred, like telephone lines produce the electronic disturbance, then small telephone line bandwidth and capacity to transmit only analog signals like audio signals, that will be done. So to overcome these problems and difficulties, we use the modem. So modem stand for this modulation demodulation, the process of modulation demodulation. So for processing of the modulation, we are using different types of techniques like FSK, that is frequency shift keying, then FDM, that is frequency division multiplexing, then TDM, time division multiplexing. Such multiplication we are using. So for that modem is there. So modem is useful for convert the telephone line network or signals to the digital information to the digital signal. We are using modem. Then the repeaters. So repeaters is the name as itself suggests it's expand the network length. If the network is to be used beyond predefined limit, repeater is used. They simplify regenerate physical signals on the network. Means repeater means what? When we have to extend the network. So sometimes the signals will become weak when there is a large distance. So when signals are become weak, then we require the repeaters. We are putting repeaters there. So repeater is a regenerates the signals. Repeater receives the signals, and if any signals disturbance is there, so this is regenerate all the signals and transfer to the another one location. Hence, to expand the signals or network, we are using the repeaters. The main task of repeater is that repeater regenerate the signals. Okay, and then the next device, that is router. Router means it is also one of the important devices which is useful for the interconnection of different LANs. Means if you have to connect small LAN or LAN to WAN or MAN like network, we have to add into that. Then we are using the routers. So routers set the route of the network or path of the data which will be sent by sender to receiver. So there are different types of packets. So these packets will be transferred to the receiver, and for that packet switching, we are using the routers. We can see the different types of diagrams they have given in this. So the routers can be static type of dynamic type. Static routers do not route the path themselves, while the dynamic routers determine the path themselves. Otherwise, we must have to assign the path for that. So repeaters also used in routers because whatever data will be come from the one LAN or one network to another network, to regenerate that signal we require the repeaters, and to set the path of the data transmission we are using routers. So this we have to write, your homework is that we have to write a note on uh, network devices. Okay, so in that we have to explain hub, modem, repeaters and routers with neat diagrams. Okay, and I'm declaring that our theory syllabus is over here. So now the duty of now it's your duty to revise the syllabus, to read the syllabus, whatever remaining concepts, whatever concepts you not understand, so that we have to repeat. I will also give the list of all the lectures. Previously also I have given the lecture list of lectures, but again I will upload. After 2 days I will upload all the links of lectures, whatever remaining part, whatever concepts we have not understand, that you have to ask to me, and afterwards we will down will I will tell you to download the app. Now I will show you which app we have to download. So we will start our practicals programs and how to do practicals, that I will also tell you in next lecture. Before that, you must have to download 8085 simulator, which is shows like this 8085 simulator. Go to the play store and type there 8085 simulator. So this will be looking like this. It's also having small memory unit, means 1.5 something data MB data is required for that, and through that how to run programs and all I will teach you in next lecture. Before that, we have to download this application, and you must have to give me reply that we have watched the lectures. So after that we must have to mention that yes sir, I have downloaded the 8085 simulator. Send need not to send your screenshot, but you must have to download it. Then we have to also complete the today's homework and we have to send. When you will send me the homework and we have, I will confirm that yes we have downloaded the simulator, then and then only I will consider your presenting. Thank you very much.